Right back with the second part of the rear window, corner window, I guess it's called, sealing and repair on the panel, as well as making the hinge. So I welded a bolt here, but I'm going to change this design. I'm going to have to undo what I did, but just to show you, look at how much foam I got out of there. And look at how much dirt is in there. You know, it just amazes me at the quality of work that people do sometime, or rather a lack thereof. So you'll see in the next video how I fix this. I've already cut a piece where there's a piece that went here. I've already cut that out, and I'll see you in the next video.